In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share dashboards in Asana. By the end, you'll be able to give the right people access to the right data without clutter or confusion. First, open dashboards and choose the dashboard you want to share. Take a moment to make sure it's the correct one by glancing at the title and the widgets it contains. This helps you avoid sharing the wrong view, especially if you manage several reports that look similar. If the data needs a quick review, confirm that the filters, projects, or time ranges reflect what you want others to see. That way, your teammates get a dashboard that's clear and immediately useful. Next, look to the top right of the dashboard and click the Share button. This is your access panel. If you don't see it, you may not have permission to share the dashboard. In that case, you'll need the owner or an admin to grant you access before you can proceed. In the share window, enter your teammate's name or their work email address. If they're already part of your organization in Asana, their name should autocomplete as you type. If it doesn't appear, type the full email carefully to avoid typos. You can add more than one person here, one at a time, if multiple colleagues need access to the same dashboard. It's a good idea to confirm you're inviting people in the correct workspace or team, especially if your company uses multiple Asana spaces. Now choose the appropriate access level, view or edit. View access lets someone open the dashboard, explore the data, and stay informed, but they can't change its structure or widgets. This is ideal for stakeholders, leaders, and anyone who just needs visibility. Edit access allows a teammate to modify widgets, adjust filters, and shape the dashboard alongside you. Reserve edit access for collaborators who will actively maintain or refine the report. When in doubt, start with view access and upgrade to edit later if needed. When everything looks right, click Send Invite to share the dashboard. Asana will notify the people you invited, and they'll be able to open the dashboard immediately from their account. If you ever need to adjust who can see or edit, you can return to the same Share button and update permissions at any time. If someone says they didn't get access, double check the email spelling and make sure they belong to the same organization in Asana. That's it. You've shared your dashboard confidently and securely, ensuring the right teammates have the visibility they need to move work forward.